Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to my watch vlog. This is my dedicated YouTube channel chronicling my ongoing beginner's journey with watches. Please do take note that I am not an expert, nor am I a horology master. This is just me exploring my newfound passion for watches. Okay, so for today's episode, I have something special for you guys, especially all of you G-Shock fans. I picked up two new G-Shock watches, and I've been waiting for both of these pieces ever since I saw it online, and we'll unbox it together. So this I picked up from atTokyo over at Podium Mall, second floor. Tara, let's check them out. Now, before we get to the unboxing of both of these G-Shock watches, allow me to share with you two pieces that I found in the shop that I didn't buy. So these two pieces are the new G-Shock Chinese New Year 2021 watches. So both watches have that red and gold color, and they use stainless steel bezels. It actually gives a vibe of Iron Man more than Chinese New Year, but it made to celebrate the year of the ox. And you can actually find an ox engraved, the zodiac sign, at the back of the case. There are two watches in this collection, the first one being the GM56000 and the second one being the GM6900. In terms of pricing here in the Philippines, they sell a little over $300 or roughly 15 to 16,000 pesos. With that out of the way, let's take a closer look at both of these pieces. This is actually the two new colors of the highly successful, massively successful GA2110, aka the Casio Royal Oak, something like that. I think that's what it's called. So it's called that because the model looks like the shape, or it was inspired by, of course, the AP Royal Oak. That same shape for the case as well as the bezel. So I have two new colors of this one. This one is the blue and white color, and this one just looks really nice, guys. I mean, take a closer look at that piece. It is so clean, and the contrast of the white bezel with the dark blue face and the strap is just friggin' cool. I mean, I am totally digging the style and the overall aesthetic of this piece. If you take a look at the actual case, it uses the carbon core guard technology, which makes it, you know, compact, lightweight. It actually fits a lot of wrists. That's the reason why this particular model is such a big hit. Because if you take a look at most G-Shocks, they're massive, right? This one will work for a lot of people, not just people who love chunky watches. So this one, guys, the blue, the navy blue, and the gray color. Really liking this piece. Super nice. Super clean as well. Of course, in terms of functionalities, I won't go over it, but it can light up. It has your world timer, your stopwatch, all of those, you know, functions that you would usually find on a G-Shock watch. Now, the second color that I picked up is the one that I was actually gunning for. So that blue and gray one I just picked up because it was there. I really don't think I should have bought it just because it was available. But this is the piece that I had my eyes set on. So this is the gray colored G-Shock GA2100. Man. Now this, guys, this is friggin' cool. Take a look at that. Ang ganda niya, ang suabe. I'm sorry, I spoke in Tagalog, Filipino. Ang ganda, ang suabe. It's beautiful. It looks so smooth. So that's what I said. So you have a dark, I think it looks like the bezel is in darker shade, but it just looks really nice. I mean, man, of all the GA2100s, this is my favorite in terms of color. And the reason why I picked this particular piece up, or had my eyes on this one, is because my favorite sneaker is actually the New Balance 990 in the gray color. So I have it in the V2, V3, and the V4, and I even bought the V5 version of the New Balance 990s. And I just felt that this particular watch would complement it exceptionally well. So man, the curse of sneakerheads who become people who also love watches. These two watches are a great example of being able to buy good, high quality, nice looking, reliable timepieces without going insane overboard with your budget. So they sell for a little over 7,000 pesos here in the Philippines. You can probably get them at a small discount if you pay in cash. But yeah, they're really nice, and it makes the case for not paying so much for good looking watches. Now, if you don't like the dark blue with the gray or the all gray model, the great news is there are a lot of colors available for the GA2100. You should be able to find it in an all black version or a black one with white hands and indices. I saw an all red version. I saw a yellow version. There's like a red green version. There's like a camo version. There's just a variety of colors available for this particular timepiece. Personally, again, my favorite of all the GA2100s that I've seen is this all gray model. But again, that is very subjective. That is very personal based on taste. So just pick the one that matches your personality. What do you guys think of both colors? Which one do you prefer? Which one do you like the most? Let me know down below in the comment section. If we reach 2,000 likes, I will raffle away this blue and gray one. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and again, don't forget to comment down below. Again, guys, if this video hits 2,000 likes, 2,000 thumbs up, I will raffle away this blue and gray version of the G-Shock GA2100. Really nice looking piece. And with that said, that actually wraps up my vlog for today. Make sure that you check out my main channel, which has over 740,000 subscribers, which is all about sneakers and gadgets. Peace, God bless, what's up? Boom.